Okay, hello, I got this E320 Wagon. It's a 2000 E320 Wagon. I got this noise here, this sound coming. Maybe you guys can catch that and help me out with this. Never heard that before. It seems like a pump, like the steering wheel pump, because I have a stiff steering problem now. When I drive around, it gets a little bit better, you know. But still stiff, really stiff, but not that bad. But never heard this before. I've heard the typical whining and grinding, like metal grinding. You know, when you run out of fluid, like power steering fluid. You know, but never heard this before, and I have a stiff steering wheel. So I assume that this is the noise that a bad power steering pump will make when it's about to go bad. Or I mean, it's already bad, you know. But just listen to this again. Comes from this side of the engine, right down there. Right there. Hope you guys can catch that sound. Let me move away a little. I don't want to get the microphone too close. Maybe you don't catch that sound. Right there. Right here. I never heard that sound before, but I assume that's a power steering pump, since I have stiff steering. So any help will be very, very appreciated. Because, you know, mechanics I don't trust mechanics anymore. Stopped trusting mechanics about 10 years ago. So if it's that, the steering wheel pump, I can replace that myself.